Hi my friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about how to keep our cell phones clean and sanitize them. On March 9th, 2020, Apple has officially updated the cleaning guidelines for keeping the iPhone, iPads, MacBooks, everything clean. So the guidelines are that for the germs and the bacteria, we can clean them by using the disinfecting wipes or the 70% isopropyl alcohol prep pads. These are kind of safe to use. If you think that your phone has not been exposed outside, you can just use a soft, damp cloth like a microfiber cloth and clean it, the sides and the screen nicely, and it will be okay. Two ways of cleaning are, first, we use the phone soap. We have it for a long time. In this, you just place your cell phone, turn it off, and place your cell phone. There is also a port, an opening for the charger if it needs to be, and then close it. There comes a light, and once it's done disinfecting or sanitizing your cell phone, it turns off automatically and your cell phone is ready to be used again. Another way is still keeping your cell phone off. We can use these wipes to clean just once. You don't have to keep wiping it again and again, because otherwise you'll damage the OLEOPHOBIC screen. This is the protective screen on top of your smartphone, which just prevents all the fingerprints and the smudges to remain on it. With the disinfecting wipes, it's easier to use. Just wipe it and let it dry, and try not to spill any chemical while even using the wipes in the port, charging port, or any of the openings of the cell phone. Otherwise it will damage the hardware. Another thing is, never ever submerge your cell phones or any other iPhone accessories in the chemical or any disinfecting sprays. Don't forget to clean the cases. This one is a hard case. If you have any fabric or leather one, please follow the guidelines accordingly to clean them. This one is very easy to clean. We take the same wipe, we clean it overall, and then let it dry, and then we put everything back together and it's ready to be used. So phone has the benefits that the UVC lights, they destroy the DNA of the bacteria which are trapped on top of your cell phone, or the RNA of the viruses, and makes it safer to be used. So please take care of your third hand. We do take care of our two hands, we wash them. Also take care of all the germs, bacteria, viruses which are trapped on your cell phone, and keep it clean. These are some of the tips keeping your cell phones clean. I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.